Hello, beautiful soul. I want you to know something right off the gate. You don't have to choose between doing what you love and making the income you desire. You can build a thriving, heart centered coaching business and make 10K a month consistently. And I'm here to show you how. If you felt overwhelmed by the online noise, exhausted by the hustle, or unsure of how to make your purpose truly profitable, take a deep breath. You're in the right place. Most coaches lead with heart, but struggle with the strategy. And on the flip side, many business gurus push strategy, but forget the soul. We believe in something different. We believe in aligned abundance. That means building a business that supports your mission and your lifestyle without burning you out or selling your soul. The key? Bringing structure to your sacred work. Let's talk about what that actually means. Every thriving, soulful coaching business is built on a few essential foundations. And here are 7 steps to create yours. Number 1, clarify your niche. Serve one person with one big problem and one powerful solution. Craft your irresistible offer, something transformational, structured, and results driven. Number 3, own your message. Speak directly to your ideal client's pain and the possibility. Number 4, show up with consistency. Marketing isn't about being everywhere. It's about being present with purpose. Number 5, sell with soul. Ditch the sleaze. Learn to enroll with heart, with confidence and integrity. Number 6, deliver big results. Coaching is a results business. When clients win, your business grows. And number 7, systematize for sustainability. Automate the right things, create repeatable workflows, and protect your energy. This is the exact roadmap we teach in our Purpose to Profit program. And every step is rooted in soul-aligned strategy. Now, you might be thinking, can I really do this? Or maybe I don't have the tech skills or confidence to charge premium prices. Friend, let me be honest with you. Those doubts are normal, but they don't have to stop you. You don't need a massive audience. You don't need to be famous. You don't need a clear path, a strong offer, and the belief that your work is worth it. Building a 10K a month business is not about working more. It's about aligning more. Imagine this. You are waking up to a business you love, clients you adore, a schedule that supports your own wellness, and an income that creates true freedom. This is not a fantasy. It's what happens when you align your energy with proven business structure. I've seen this happen for life coaches, energy healers, health coaches, therapists, wellness experts. And it all starts with a decision to go all in on yourself. So here's your next step. Learn the 7-step system we use to help soulful entrepreneurs grow to 10K a month and beyond. Go to www.purpose-to-profit.org, or there's a link around the video, and see for yourself. And then book your free call and speak with us today. Let's unlock your next level together. One step, one client, one sacred yes at a time. You're not just building a business. You're creating a movement. And the world needs your medicine now more than ever. Sending so much love to you and believe. Until next time.